Welcome back to my channel and to my Python second class. Today I am going to teach you how to download the Python from the internet. So be ready, and if you are ready, then open your computer and start downloading. So let's switch into the laptop screen. So in this process you will learn how to download it, and you will see it step by step that I will show you in my laptop. And also you can download 32-bit also, but for it is better to download 64-bit, because in the later part you will learn MySQL and MySQL, that is the backend, how to connect with the backend MySQL from the Python. That is why 64-bit Python as well as 64-bit MySQL is required. So start now. And it is called C Python installation and comes with Python interpreter and Python IDLE, that is Python GUI. GUI full form is graphical user interface, and pip, that is package installer. And you can also download it from another Python distribution that is available these days, that is Anaconda Python distribution. I prefer Anaconda, and I will show you the video how to install the Anaconda from Anaconda distribution. Okay. And here with this package one, you will get preloaded with many packages and libraries. Libraries means that we will discuss later on, but here in the libraries you will get NumPy, SkyPy, Panda libraries, etc. And many popular IDE are available, that is Spider IDE. Mainly that will be used in our school. In the Spider, using Spider IDE we will write the programs, and that is available as a part of Anaconda Python distribution. Now I will also send some few pages how to install it from the class 11 old book, and I will also show you the video that I will install in my computer, so that it will be easier for you to download this Anaconda. Okay, to install the Python, first you open the Google browser, and from there you search the word spider. After that you will see this one Spider website. From there you go, then you will see a screen showing a icon with the spider. It is not the normal spider. Okay, so that is a IDE where we are going to write the programs. And now we will spider this IDE from the Anaconda distribution, and from there you will download Spider with Anaconda. Now click on that. Here you will see all the things, then you click on the download button. That is 64-bit graphical installer, Python 3.7 now. So we need 3.5 and more. Now you in the download in your computer, wherever the downloaded files are stored, from the download directory you get the setup file. Now from the welcome to Anaconda, this 64-bit setup you will see, and you click on that I agree button, and install for just me. Okay, we are not in networking, and select the destination folder where you will install your Anaconda. So here I am changing it to D drive, D user personal Anaconda 3. Okay, then next, click on next, and this one you add Anaconda to my path, that should be checked, then install. that we will require for later on class 12 on. So at the time of installation you should check it. Now you have seen the installation process is completed. Setup was completed successfully. The message is there. Now you click on next and you will see this one completing Anaconda 3 2020.02, so 64-bit setup. Now you see I have installed the software that is the in my D drive. So open the D drive and from there you will see the Python one. Now this is the prompt screen. Here directly also we can write any program from here directly, that is from command prompt. You see I will write one just simple statement using this one, print. Print is an output statement to get anything on the screen. Print, then the parenthesis, the first bracket, that is known as parenthesis also. Within quotation mark I am writing. Here you see I have written print welcome to all the programming language, that is within quotation mark. Now in the next statement you have seen welcome to all the programming language. Is not it simple? Just I am writing print, whatever I have written that is shown in the screen. So this is the command prompt of Python. Now close it. Now you have seen this screen from the app. You will, in this is Windows 10, we will click on the Anaconda and then click on Spider. Now you see the screen, this one Spider is coming. This is the IDE, integrated development interface, that we will develop the program using IDE, integrated development environment. In the screen it will come, it will take time. So you will get this type of messages, Spider updates. If you have already installed then you can update it. So we are going to write a program using IDE, that is integrated development environment. Here you see I will write one simple program and how you will get the output. And don't be afraid, that is don't be get panic that what is this. It is very simple. I will just explain it later on. This is for after installation. I am going to just show it a simple program. Here you see this portion will come and after that close it. Now click on the file, new file. So this screen will be there. Now I will write a simple output statement. As you know, the Python is case sensitive, so you have to write the word using small letter. Only you can use capital letter within bracket, that you will learn later on. So after that, here I will click on file. I will save it. So it will be saved in the directory. Already it is open in that there, and from here we will select Python files and we will write a name. Say first pro. So this first pro, that will be stored with an extension .py. .py means it will be Python, and it will be stored in the personal directory. Save. Now have you seen this green button? That will be used for running the file, or directly we can use the F5 also. Click on this one icon. Here you see in the right hand side there is a screen, two parts. Okay, this part only to write, and here we will get, this is known as the console part, where we will get all the outputs. Here you see welcome to Python. So hope you have learned how to download the Python from internet, and I hope you have enjoyed my class, and it is very easy to learn. You have got the idea that it is not very difficult to start your career with computer programming language. Stay tuned and wait for my next video class.